In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export customers inside of Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is open up Shopify like you usually would, then go into the admin page. Then from here you need to go down to customers down here, and then over here you can see all of your already existing customers. And to export them, you simply need to go up to the right hand side and click export. Then this page should be popping up, where you can select either current page or all of your existing customers. You can add whether or not it should have the all customer tags and customer meta fields. And down here you can add file format, where you can either save it as a CSV file for Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs, or a plain CSV file. Then from here you just simply need to click export customers. And then you can see here that you'll be sent to your email address. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!